almost touched my face. Screw it. Uh, hey, it's Cornfu. Reckless deck. Super, super awesome. The dude that created it, super nice guy. Beautifully crafted. Regular playing cards. And then on these cards are certain traits or attributes or things of that nature. Longsword. Tons of cool stuff. I don't even know what that one is. Mohawk. Okay, so the way that the deck of cards works is you have several different categories that you can choose from, and they're broken apart in a really cool systematic way. So the initial deck has 6 different category cues: intrinsic nature, modifications, weapons, costumes, accessories, and reinvention. So there's also several different ways that you can play. There's the Trinity, that's where you pick 3 cards at random from a mixed deck. The Sampler, where you separate the categories one from another and pick 1 card from each category and use them all in your concept. That's the way that I've played before. That's a lot of fun. So if you get a group of people, you break apart the 6 categories or 5 categories, and then each of you take turns pulling a card from each of those stacks, and then you build your character. Super cool. This week I'm going to do the lazy way. I'm going to do the Trinity. That's a quick, accessible version, and you take the deck, you mix it, you mix the deck, and then you pull out 3 cards at random. So I've already done that already, because you don't want to sit and watch me fumble trying to mix it, mix up a deck. 3 random cards. So hopefully they're cool. You never know with the whole random thing. All right, I have 3 cards. Dun dun dun, drum roll. Yes! Devil wings. Buckles or straps. Look, this is not going to be R-rated, so relax. Bird attributes. I already got wings. Guess I'm doubling up on the avian thing. Well, devil wings. All right, so here we go. I get to draw a lot of feathers, I guess. Or gross membrane wings. I don't know. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to sketch out a character and we'll see what we come up with. In the future, I'm going to do a collaboration where I team up with a couple artists and we're going to do this as well. So